Learning in the workplace during the normal everyday work routine is part of the dual vocational education and training. This process is governed nationwide by the Vocational Training Act. Each company finances its own training. The state pays the costs of the vocational schools and also funds certain tasks such as vocational orientation or supports measures for disadvantaged young people. The companies themselves are responsible for the tailored structuring and implementation of training. They must fulfill certain minimum requirements and comply with the training regulations. However, they are free to decide whether and which additional qualifications they offer their trainees. In order to be permitted to provide training, a company must be an appropriate training venue. They also need to have professionally suitable training staff. Implementation of vocational education and training is monitored by the competent bodies. These include the Chambers of Commerce and Industry, the Chambers of Crafts and Trades, and chambers representing the liberal professions. Such competent bodies also exist in agriculture, for the churches, and in the public sector. The competent bodies have many tasks. They check and register training contracts and conduct intermediate and final examinations. They also promote and monitor periods spent abroad by trainees. Alongside these tasks, the chambers deploy specialist training consultants to advise trainees and companies and support dual training in a wide variety of other ways. Each competent body establishes a VET committee made up of 6 representatives, each from the trade unions and the employers, and 6 vocational school teachers. This committee acts as a central advisory and decision-making body at regional level, as is also the case with the examination boards. VET committees work on a voluntary basis and are dependent on the commitment shown by their members. Committees are updated and consulted on all important matters regarding vocational education and training. They shape the general conditions for successful training programs on the basis of the framework curricula and training regulations. They work to ensure ongoing further development of training and compliance with the high quality standards.